Hello everyone, my name is Fabio and today I'll be showing you how to divide decimals, doing some word problems that involve several of these topics, adding decimals, simplifying expressions, and using substitution. So we'll start off with the first problem, which is 0.384 divided by 2. So don't focus on the decimal just yet. Just focus on 3, 8, and 4. So 2 can go into 3 once. If this is going too fast, you guys can always pause. 2 goes into 18 9 times. Minus 18. Bring down the 4. 2 can go into 4 twice. Now, this decimal over here is moved back 3 times. So you would move it back 3 times over here. Your answer would be 0.192. Okay, now moving on to word problems. We'll do the first one. So, Henry's time machine travels 120 years in 3 hours. How many minutes will it take Henry to travel 480 years? So, 480 years, and then 120 years. So, we can cross these zeros out, and 12 goes into 48 4 times. Now, if it takes 120 years 4 times over, each time 3 hours, that means it would be 4 times 3, which would be 12. So it takes 12 hours, but they want it in minutes. There are 60 minutes per hour, so we have those 12 hours, 60 minutes per each. And now we multiply. So 2 times 0, 0. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 6, 6. Now just add it up. So it takes 720 minutes to travel 480 years. Moving on to the next section, which is adding decimals. So we'll try number 6. So when adding decimals, you always want to align the decimals together. What I mean by that is, so let's try 9 plus 0.1 plus 0.005. So align the decimals. Now 9's equivalent to 9.0, so 9.0. Then we have 0.1, 0.1, and 0.005, so 0.005. Now aligning the decimals, this is what I mean. You want to place the numbers so that all these decimals align on top of each other. Now, to make it easier, you can add as many zeros as you need to, and then all you would have to do is add. So 5, 0, 1, 9. Your answer, 9.105. Now moving on to simplifying expressions. So we will try number 1. So 8n minus 3n plus 4. So in these kinds of problems, the numbers with the variables affect each other, and the ones that don't have variables, such as the 4, you just leave it alone unless there are other numbers that don't contain variables. So let's focus on this. So 8n minus 3n, you could think of it as 8 minus 3, so 5, but add the n. So n, 5n, and then plus 4. That's it. You apply the same concepts to all the other problems on this worksheet. Now moving on to substitution. So let's try number 8. So y is equal to 2x minus 15, and then y is equal to 2x. So if y is equal to 2x, that means this y over here is 2x. So that means 2x is equal to, or I'm sorry, y is equal to 5x, my bad, 5x, so 5x. So that means 5x is equal to 2x minus 15. Now, first what we want to do is we want to isolate the number with the variable. In order to do that, we would want to move this 2x to the other side. In order to do that, subtract it. Do it on both sides. So 5x minus 2x, 3x is equal to negative 15 over here. Now, what we want to do to isolate this x over here is we want to divide it by 3. And then, same thing on the other side. Now, negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. And that'll be your answer. Thank you for watching.